looks and smells great. Are you ready to taste it?
Yeah!
Today we will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to cook this as a family. And at the end, we will provide a full recipe screenshot. Smoked pecan pie. So this is going to be a delicious dessert. What we have to get started is a pound of pecans here. And we're going to start by toasting them. So we could either toast them on the stove or you could bake them. And we're going to bake them in the smoker. And by doing that, the nuts are going to open up in flavor, some of the oils are going to come out, and it's going to have like a much richer flavor. That's going to be really delicious, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So what I'd like you to help me with is spread these out on this sheet. Excellent job. So what's the next step?
Put it on the smoker!
Let's go. Okay, so we've toasted these pecans for an hour, so they smell great. Now, let's do a taste comparison. So we have some raw pecan, go ahead and eat that. Just a normal pecan, it's pretty good. So go ahead and grab one of these toasted ones here. That tastes really good. There's a little bit of the smoky element, but like the flavor, it's a little bit cleaner. Tastes less waxy to me. What do you think?
I prefer the toasted pecans.
I think they're great, so I'm really excited to have these for our pie here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to separate around half of these for the topping of the pecan pie. So we're going to grab the full ones here, not the broken ones, because we're going to chop up the rest of them. So very carefully. So this is not hot, but don't touch that, and go ahead. And from this half, we're going to grab the full ones out. Great job. So now we have the full ones here. These are going to look really pretty on top of the pie. And we have around half of our pound here that we're going to chop these up to mix into the pie. Does that sound great?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so we're going to get the pie crust ready. So you are going to help grease the skillet. So we have a 12-inch cast iron skillet. If you have a 10-inch, you can use that as well. Because we have a pre-made pie crust that's 9 inches that we're going to roll out to be able to fit in this. But the first thing that you're going to do is take this, basically color the inside. Great. Excellent job. So now we're going to put this aside. I'm going to roll out the pie crust and then we're going to put it on the inside. Good work. Okay, so we have our pie crust ready to go. Now all we need to do is mix together the fillings. So we got eggs that we're going to pour in here. Great, so pause. Now I'm going to whisk these up until they're foamy. Okay, so now brown sugar.
Can I do this?
Ooh, this is looking great. So, we got our batter here for the pecan pie. Now we're going to get in the pie crust, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we have our pie crust and we have our pie filling. Where does this need to go?
In the crust.
Let's do it, okay? So I'm going to pour and you can help guide it. Ready? Make sure to get all that last little bit of ooey gooey filling there, right? This is looking great. Okay, So we have this great filling with the chopped pecans. And now we're gonna get all those great additional toasted pecans on top. Okay? Sound good?
Yes.
Thank you. Smoked pecan pie. So we got this on the smoker. It's cooled down now, ready to go. It looks and smells delicious. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, so here's your fork, here's yours. Let's give this a little taste. That's very good.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
I like the pecan flavor.
Yeah, I like how the toasted pecans show through. We have the chopped pecan as well as the whole pecans. Like, this is very good. How do you like it?
I like how sweet it is.
Yeah, this is very sweet. It's very nice. Not too sweet though. Like, I think it's a good mixture, especially with the pecan flavors and the toasted and the smoky. I think that all comes together really nicely. So I agree with you. Thank you for joining us on today's episode of DadBQ. Remember, who's the Q?
DadBQ! Boo boopy doo, it's DadBQ. The family-friendly cooking show.
Thanks for watching. Comment down below if there is something you would like us to teach you to make, or if you have a delicious dish that you would like to potentially have featured on DadBQ. We are building a family-friendly cooking community that we want you to join. First step to joining that community, like, comment, and subscribe, and visit us at dadbq.com.